Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a vanity tour. I've just been really obsessed with vanity tours lately. Like, I'm just nosy and curious to see how other people set up their vanities, and so I thought I'd show you guys mine. So this is my vanity behind me. It is in every video of mine. Yeah, I don't have like a backdrop setup or anything like that, so I just film right in front of my vanity. So I'm going to show you all of this, and yeah, let's just get straight into the video. But before we get into the video, I just wanted to thank you guys for all the kind comments, the shares, and the likes on Air Lashes. It's a slow growing project, but it's growing and I'm really happy about it. And yes, of course, I am wearing Air Lashes. These are the style Double Take, my absolute favorite everyday lash. Yeah, they're just my favorite. Like, that's all I could say. I wear them every single day. Make sure you follow Air Lashes on Instagram. That's AER Lashes. And you can shop the lashes at airlashes.com. And yeah, let's just get straight into my vanity tour. Side of my vanity, I've just got my smaller face and detail brushes in this vase filled with gems. I got the vase and the gems from the dollar store, and then next to it I have a pot of flowers that are also from the dollar store. I just made this myself. I just bought a glass with pearls, and then I just put the flowers in. And then of course I've got my lashes on my vanity because they are my babies and I love them so much, and they're just a vanity necessity. So on the left side is where I keep my bigger face brushes along with my favorite face products that I use almost every single day. So we have the Fenty Beauty, the NARS Natural Radiant, of course we got Too Faced Born This Way, and then Marc Jacobs Remarkable, Dior Nude Air, we have Tatcha, of course, and then the Cover FX Liquid Bronzer and Highlighter. These are like so good. I use all these almost every day. So that is on this side. So the first drawer is products that I reach for every single day.
So we got the Chanel body lotion, the ABH brow pomade, Physicians Formula butter bronzer, the Too Faced Born This Way powder, as well as the Coty Airspun powder. We got Benefit Wax Up highlighter, which is one of my favorite highlighters. We got the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Mocha, ColourPop highlighter in Wisp, Maybelline Master Chrome, Hourglass Bronzer, we got some Jeffree Star highlighters in Summer Snow Cone, and right under is Eclipse. RMS Beauty Living Luminizer. Behind that we got Physicians Formula Butter Blush, and then beside that, what is that? Marc Jacobs Tantric Bronzer, and then Fenty Beauty, the Fenty Beauty Mean Money and Hustler Baby. And the way back there is the Chanel Soleil de Tan Cream Bronzer, and then I just have some lip products on the side here. So yeah, that is the first drawer. And the second drawer is just where I keep all of my palettes, mostly highlighting palettes and other miscellaneous things. I'm not going to go through everything in this drawer just because it'll just take too long, but I will mention some of my favorite things in this second drawer. So I've got the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette that I haven't opened yet, but I'm excited to use. I've got some setting spray and primers. Of course, I've got the Too Faced Hangover RX, absolute favorite. And then, oh, I also have this like $100 Ninja Star that my brother made me. I just keep it in there. And some of my favorite palettes, of course, we have the Becca and Jaclyn Hill highlighting palette. Oh my god. The Nubian by Juvia's Place, and my super beat up ABH contour kit. And then I've just got like other highlighting palettes there. I've got like the Jeffree Star palette, Huda Beauty and Becca and stuff like that. Some beauty sponges, and then of course some primers and setting sprays. I've got MAC Strobe Cream, Fix Plus, Smashbox. And yeah, so that is the second drawer. So the third drawer isn't very exciting at all. There's really not much makeup in here. There's just like all my other shit. So I got just cotton pads. Under that is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Favorites makeup brush set. And then I have two of many high keys. One of my high keys are also in this white case, as well as like a couple more in those bags underneath these new ones. I'm just so paranoid that I'm going to break or lose them because they're my absolute favorite sunglasses, so I bought like several pairs. And then I have my dry shampoo here, and then all those like back there is just a bunch of like random shit that I just had to store. So yeah, that's my third drawer. Like, there's really nothing to it. And yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I had so much fun filming it. If you did and would like to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate that. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!